Guys, I make diary. Me, baby, and me when I was in first grade. Hello guys, I make diary. Let's open. Let's open it. Me when I was a baby, and me when I was in first grade, and my little diary. I would read it later because it's scary. And the last accessory and the story. And this is my best friend. It is Hannah, Amber, and Gia. And another accessory. Now that's it. And please subscribe. I'm not begging you to subscribe. I'm just asking you to subscribe because I want to be famous. But right now, in a broken screen, nah, I don't think I will be famous. And if you want to add me in Roblox, just say, JJ has a good day. Add me in Roblox. Goodbye.